Ever wondered how to lose fat without losing muscle? Well, it's time to unravel the mystery behind this fascinating concept known as body recomposition. A seemingly impossible task, body recomposition is the process of shedding unwanted fat while simultaneously building muscle mass. It's the holy grail for fitness enthusiasts and anyone looking to transform their physique. In this journey of transformation, we'll be delving into three significant areas. First, we'll explore the world of nutrition and how it plays a pivotal role in fueling your workouts and facilitating muscle growth. Next, we'll dive into the realm of exercise and how the right balance between resistance and cardiovascular training can ignite your fat-burning furnace. Lifestyle changes that can significantly impact your body transformation journey. So if you've ever puzzled over how to get leaner while also getting stronger, stay tuned. This intriguing journey of body recomposition is about to get underway. So what's the first step to accomplishing this fitness feat? Nutrition. Let's dive right in. You see, the food you consume provides the building blocks for your body's functions, including muscle growth and fat metabolism. It's a delicate balancing act. You need to consume enough nutrients to fuel your workouts and aid in muscle recovery, but not so much that it hinders fat loss. Now let's talk about protein. Protein is the cornerstone of muscle recovery and growth. When you work out, you're essentially creating micro tears in your muscle fibers. Your body then uses protein to repair these tears, resulting in stronger, larger muscles. So if you're looking to gain muscle, it's crucial to incorporate a sufficient amount of protein in your diet. However, it's not just about protein. Carbohydrates and fats also play pivotal roles. Carbs provide the energy needed for intense workouts, while fats are essential for hormone production and overall health. Balance is key here. You can't neglect either of these macronutrients in your quest for a lean, muscular physique. Now on to fat loss. The golden rule for losing fat is creating a caloric deficit. This means burning more calories than you consume. It sounds simple, but it can be tricky to achieve, especially when you're also trying to gain muscle. That's where the balance of your diet comes into play. By consuming nutrient-rich foods, you can fuel your workouts and feel satiated, all while keeping your calorie intake in check. It's also worth noting that not all calories are created equal. A calorie from a sugary soda is not the same as a calorie from a lean chicken breast. The former will spike your blood sugar and lead to fat storage, while the latter will provide sustained energy and promote muscle growth. So to recap, a balanced diet rich in protein, carbs, and fats is crucial for muscle gain. And a caloric deficit, achieved through mindful eating and nutrient-rich foods, is the key to fat loss. Remember, your diet will make or break your efforts to lose fat and gain muscle. Now that we've covered nutrition, let's move on to exercise. Let's do this. Exercise is a critical component for achieving body recomposition, and understanding how different types of exercises affect our bodies is key. Let's delve into the two main types of exercise we'll focus on: resistance training and cardiovascular exercise. Resistance training, or strength training, is essential for building muscle. When we lift weights, we create tiny tears in our muscle fibers. These tears then repair and grow back stronger, leading to muscle growth. Resistance training isn't just about lifting heavy weights, though. Any exercise that forces your muscles to work against resistance, including body weight exercises, can lead to muscle gain. On the flip side, cardiovascular exercise, often simply called cardio, is your best friend for burning fat. This includes activities that get your heart rate up, like running, cycling, or swimming. Cardio burns calories, which is crucial for creating the calorie deficit needed for fat loss. But don't think cardio is just about long, slow runs. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a form of cardio that alternates between periods of intense effort and periods of rest. And it's a game changer. Why? Because HIIT allows you to burn a significant amount of calories in a short amount of time, making it an efficient workout method. But that's not all. HIIT also promotes fat loss while preserving muscle mass, making it a perfect fit for our body recomposition goals. But remember, balance is key. While you might be tempted to go all out on cardio to burn fat, neglecting resistance training could lead to muscle loss. Similarly, focusing solely on resistance training without enough cardio could hinder your fat loss efforts. So your workout routine should include both resistance training and cardio, with an emphasis on HIIT for its dual benefits. And don't forget, consistency is just as important as the workout itself. Stick with it and your body will thank you. Your workout routine should be a balanced mix of resistance and cardio training for optimal results. Beyond diet and exercise, your lifestyle plays a big role in body recomposition. It's like a three-legged stool, with the first two legs being nutrition and workouts. But the third leg often overlooked is your lifestyle, specifically your sleep and stress management. Let's start with sleep. Quality sleep is crucial for muscle recovery. When you sleep, your body goes to work repairing and rebuilding your muscles from your workouts. It's during this time that growth hormones are released, which play a significant role in muscle development. Without enough sleep, your body can't fully recover, and your muscle building efforts could be in vain. But how can you improve your sleep? Well, it's all about establishing a routine and creating the right environment. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep per night. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary. Keep it cool, dark, and quiet. Avoid screens before bed, as the blue light can interfere with your sleep. Now, let's talk about stress. Chronic stress can lead to fat storage, especially in the abdominal area. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, which is a hormone. A hormone that can increase your appetite and cause your body to store fat. It's a survival mechanism from our caveman days, but not so helpful in our modern world. Managing stress, therefore, is key in body recomposition. Find what works for you. It could be yoga, meditation, reading, or even just a leisurely walk in the park. The goal is to find something that helps you relax and unwind. Incorporating these lifestyle changes may not be easy at first, but they're worth it. Remember, it's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. And nothing feels better than a good night's sleep and a calm mind. Never underestimate the impact of a good night's sleep and a calm mind on your fitness goals. Lastly, let's talk about the secret ingredient to any successful body recomposition journey. Consistency. It's the thread that stitches together every element we've discussed so far. The magic doesn't lie in one big overnight transformation, but rather in the small daily decisions to maintain a healthy diet, to keep up with regular exercise, to prioritize sleep, and manage stress effectively. It's about waking up every day and making choices that align with your goals. It's not just about working out for 1 hour, it's about how you choose to spend the remaining 23. Patience is your best friend here. Body recomposition isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It's a slow process and the changes may not always be visible immediately, but rest assured, as long as you stay consistent, those changes are happening beneath the surface. Remember, consistency is key, stick with it and you'll see the results you're after. So there you have it, the steps to mastering body recomposition. We've gone on a journey together, exploring the mystery of losing fat without compromising muscle gain. We've unlocked the keys to this process, emphasizing the vital role of nutrition and the power of strategic exercise. We've also highlighted the importance of building muscle while burning fat, a feat achievable through a well-balanced diet and a carefully curated workout routine. We delved into the often overlooked factors of sleep and stress management and their crucial role in your body recomposition journey. Remember, your lifestyle changes are as important as your gym routine. And finally, we've uncovered the secret to success: consistency. Consistency in your diet, your workouts, your sleep and stress management is what will ultimately lead to the achievement of your fitness goals. With these steps, you're well on your way to achieving your fitness goals. If you have watched until the end of this video and think you have learned anything new or anything of value, please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all the videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon as well. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.